This is how to make your volume louder on iPhone. Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wondered how to make your iPhone louder, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a few simple tricks to boost your iPhone's max volume. So let's get started. The easiest way is to increase your volume using the side volume buttons on your iPhone. Whether you're watching a video, listening to music, or on a call, this is the fastest way to maximize your volume. It's the first and most obvious way to increase your volume. Try disabling volume limits in Settings. To do this, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, scroll all the way down, select Headphone Safety. Find the option Reduce Loud Sounds. If this is turned on, your iPhone automatically limits the max volume to protect your hearing. If you want louder sound, turn this off. Disabling this feature prevents iOS from artificially limiting your volume. Now, adjust the equalizer for Apple Music. Go back to Settings. Open App Store. Scroll down to M section. Tap on Apple Music. Find and tap on EQ Equalizer. Choose Loudness from the list. This setting prioritizes loud audio over other sound effects. This helps make songs in Apple Music sound louder without distorting them. And that's it. Now you know how to increase the max volume on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.